Hey, sixth graders, Mr. Newman here. So good to see you all again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to start our day with learning about STAR qualities. What are they and how can they help us be our best learner here in school and be successful in life in general? So first of all, STAR qualities. What are they? We're going to learn which qualities do you have and how can we improve on them. So what a STAR quality is they are personal strengths that we see in ourselves that help transform your character for the better. And they help us express and help us make our experiences in life more positive, and also helps us benefit with our relationships. So we're going to start exploring and self-reflecting on ourselves and start identifying what STAR qualities do we see in ourselves. So what we're going to ask you to do is take a look at these list of STAR qualities. Now, there are many, many more. This is just a list I took from the top 20 training that we took a few years ago, and just helps us start to identify which ones do we see in ourselves. So I want you to kind of look through the list and find 2, maybe even 3 that you look at and you're like, yes, that is me. That is what I see as far as a STAR quality in myself. So we have creative, self-confident. Are you organized? Are you responsible? Are you outgoing, self-motivated? Are you persistent? Do you stick with the job until it's done? Enthusiastic. Are you optimistic, proactive, courageous, spiritual, risk-taking, flexible? Or do you have toughness? All right, so just look through, kind of think about yourself, think about your experiences, whether it's in school or maybe it's a sport, or if you play an instrument, if you're in a play. What STAR qualities do you see you pull from to be successful? And just we're going to identify those and start talking about them in class of how can we use these STAR qualities to help benefit our learning. Now, with that said, what we're going to do is I'm going to try something new to help us all stay a little bit on the same page. So in Chapter 5, I created what we call a landing page. So this is where everything's going to live for Chapter 5. So it's the one spot we're always going to go to in order to find things for Chapter 5 and what we're doing in class. So if you're watching this video, you've tapped on this link where it says Chapter 5 landing page. So I'm going to go to that here on my computer. There it is. So you'll see the first thing, and always is going to be the first, is our target sheet. Since everything in class stems from that target sheet, that'll be the very first thing. And you'll always be able to download these documents here as well. So you could download this at this point, put it into Notability. If you have not yet created a Chapter 5 subject, do that as well. So once you have that downloaded, we'll have vocabulary. So if you tap on the vocab, you could download this as well, and you'll see the words and the definitions that are there for you. So those will be the vocab words that you find on the target sheet up here. In today's lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to do some predicting. So we're going to watch a couple videos, actually 3 videos, and you're going to predict what are some things that you're watching in those videos that you are interested in, and kind of can predict as to what this chapter is going to be about. So first thing you're going to do is tap on this link right here where it says FurTrade Predicting Activity Big 3 resource page. Tap here. When you tap on it, boom, there it is. So we're going to use what we call the Big 3 to help us gather our thoughts and reflect on some predictions and what surprises me. So we've done a couple of these in class already, but what we're going to focus on is what surprises me. What did the author already think I know? So these are kind of like, I didn't know that, or I was confused by, or anything like that as far as other of those questions. And then what challenged, changed, or confirmed my thinking? So as you're watching, maybe you thought, well, first, I thought the fur trade was about animals in the 21st century, but now I know that it was back in the 1600s. So that's kind of that. It's changed my thinking after watching the video. So what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to tap on this link right here, and it's going to ask you to download that document to your Notability. Put it in your Chapter 5 by your target sheet. So this is what you're going to be seeing. You're going to have Watch Beaver Pelt Trade. It's a video right here. You can just tap on it right here. And this is where you're going to document your thoughts. What surprised me? What questions do I have? And what changed, challenged, or confirmed my thinking as you are watching? So what I would do is I'd watch first, then go back, write in my notes. Once you're done with the first video, and it's about, I think, 2.5 minutes long, so they're short video clips. Then you're going to move on to the epic history of the fur trade in America. So same thing, I would watch it first, then go back and think and reflect. What surprised me about this video? What questions do I still have? And what challenge, changed, or confirmed my thinking? And if this challenge, changed, and confirmed my thinking, you can always refer back to up here to give you some understanding of what to put in that box. And then finally, the third one is just a PBS video. You can see right here, it's 1 minute 36 seconds. The fur trade. What surprised you? What questions do I still have after watching this video? And challenge, changed, or confirmed my thinking. So now that we have the 3 done, what you're going to do is turn this in so you can show that you did this work, that you put in the time here. And the assignment is called Chapter 5 Fur Trade Videos Big 3 Turn In. So that's what you're going to turn it into. Or you could tap here and that will direct you to that assignment as well. So I hope that this landing page helps us. It helps organize kind of where everything's going to be. So if we're gone or if I miss class, or maybe Mr. Newman's sick and I have to have class through a guest teacher, this would be easier for them as well. So please feel free to email me if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you out at any point in time. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.